We're moving on to Maxime now, who is 18 from Lycée Michel Rodange and has developed a project, a modular self-assembling robotic system. So again, this is moving into the sphere of engineering and computer science, and it's through the ability to form any complex configuration. It's highly adaptable to various scenarios and environments, so it could also move into the space realm.
Hello. Do you want to give me a quick introduction to this entire project?
Yes, of course. So my project is about modular robotic systems. So single modules can't do a lot on their own, but once they merge together into an entire system, they're highly flexible and adaptable to any possible task. So I got intrigued by these systems through a movie, and I did a lot of research on the existing projects. And I found out that there were three major issues which I tried to resolve in creating my own system. I always try to minimize the size and then go on to fast simulations and big simulations where a lot of modules are computed, and to look if it would be a viable solution in real life.
And how long does this entire process take? Like, trying to find solutions doesn't really sound like an easy task.
Yes, so it's already the second year I'm working on this project. It's going on for a long time, and I'm actually using knowledge from even further back.
And do you feel like you're progressing quickly, or is it really like a slow process?
So of course there's always moments of slowing down, but in the whole run I'm pretty confident that I'm working on. And process is being made.
Great. Thank you so much.
So, indeed. In a few words, could you tell us a little bit about what your project is about?
So, my project is about tiny robots that merge together to form a huge system. And this system is really adaptable and flexible for any task.
So this isn't your first year participating here, is it?
No, it's already the third year.
Right. And so any plans for next year?
Well, maybe a continuation, maybe something new. I don't know yet.
How do you get better than this? Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done.